In this video, we're going over how to unlock the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 so you can use it with any carrier. The first thing you will need to do is go to your phone app, go to the keypad and type in *#06#. That's going to show us our IMEI. Make sure you write down that first number. You will need that later on in the video. Let's go home and then go to the internet. And we're going to go to the website, theunlockingcompany.com, and we're just going to fill out a few prompts. So manufacturer is going to be Samsung. The model, we're going to look for Galaxy Note. So you will go to the Galaxy section and go all the way down to Note 10. Hit done and then hit unlock now. Next, we will select the country we did purchase the phone in and the carrier, which will be T-Mobile. Hit next. From here, we will need to enter the IMEI that we got in the first step of the video. First name, the email address that you wanted the instructions sent to, and the phone number. Here you will see a disclaimer that basically explains that on this website, they unlock GSM phones, which is a type of technology that at&t, T-Mobile, Cricket, Consumer Cellular, and many other companies use. But they do not unlock any phones that are CDMA, which would be Verizon, Sprint, Boost Mobile, C-Spire, and another big list as well. So understand the carrier that you're trying to unlock. And again, if it's on this top list, you should be good to go. Here you'll see the price. It normally costs this, but you always get a discount, so it will cost you only $79. Now, this is sort of a range for delivery time of 1 to 15 days. However, in my experience, they do unlock the phones a lot quicker. So all you'll need to do is go back up to the top, click order now, and wait to receive your email from the unlocking company with your unlocking pin and final unlocking instructions. From here, we will need to take out our SIM card. At the very top, you will find the SIM tray. Use the SIM tool that comes in the box. Here we will take out our T-Mobile SIM card. And we will put in a Cricket SIM card. And at this point, the phone will generally prompt for a restart. But if it doesn't, you should go ahead and restart it on your own. And after this, again, wait until you get your email from the unlocking company with the final instructions. The process to unlock the phones does change from time to time. So once you get that email, it will walk you through the final few steps and where you'll enter the unlocking pin. And after that, you'll be good to go. Your phone will be able to be used with any carrier, any GSM carrier worldwide. So hope you guys did find this helpful. I will drop a link below with the website, theunlockingcompany.com, and you have a lot of assurance with this website, as if you go on the website, there is a phone number you can call if you have any issues. There is a live support person you can chat with, and they do offer a money back guarantee if for whatever reason you're not able to unlock your phone. So hope you guys did find that video helpful. Make sure you like, favorite, and share if it was helpful. Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. Take care and have a good one.